This right here is a full-size heavy-duty excavator. We'll take all its separate parts, rebuild this steel giant piece by piece, and break down exactly how it works. First up, the undercarriage. We mount drive sprockets for power and idlers to guide the tracks. Track rollers along the bottom support the machine's weight. Finally, fit the tracks. They spread weight to tackle rough terrain. Next, we install the swing drive and upper structure for full 360-degree rotation. Heavy rear counterweights balance digging loads and keep the machine stable. Then we drop in the heart of it all, the engine. Then we fit the operator seat, the command center of the machine. Now for the working arm. First, the boom, the main lever that defines maximum reach. Then we mount boom cylinders on both sides of the base. Boom cylinders on both sides power the arm up and down. At the end of the boom is the stick. It extends working range and delivers digging force. A stick cylinder controls its extension and retraction. Finally, attach the bucket. It cuts through soil and rock and carries material. The bucket cylinder up top works through an H-link. It converts linear motion into rotational torque, letting the bucket curl smoothly and lock material firmly in place. Now we know how it's built. Let's hop in the cab and put it to work. Every movement is controlled by the travel levers and 2 joysticks. Push both travel levers forward or back. Both tracks run in sync, moving the machine forward or backward. Push one lever or push them in opposite directions. Speed difference between the 2 tracks enables steering. Push the left joystick forward, and the stick extends outward. Pull back, stick retracts inward. Push left, upper structure swings left. Push right, upper structure swings right. Push the right joystick forward, and the boom lowers. Pull back, boom raises. Push left, bucket curls inward. Push right, bucket dumps outward. And that's it. You now know how to operate an excavator.